Excuse me, I am really sorry to bother you, but can you help me, please?
Oh, of course. Are you okay? You look really worried.
Yes, I am a little worried. I just moved to this city last week, and I'm completely lost.
Oh, don't worry. It happens to everyone. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the city library. I have an important document to submit today, but I have been walking for 30 minutes and I cannot find it anywhere.
Oh, the library. Yes, I know exactly where it is.
Really? Oh, thank goodness. You are a lifesaver.
Don't worry, it is not very far from here.
Can you give me directions, please?
Sure. First, go straight on this road, walk for about 5 minutes.
Okay, straight for 5 minutes.
Then you will see a big park on your left.
A park on the left. Okay.
After the park, turn left.
Turn left after the park. Got it.
Then walk for 2 more minutes. You will see a tall white building. That is the library. It's right next to a coffee shop.
So, straight for 5 minutes, park on my left, turn left after the park, walk 2 more minutes, white building on my right. Did I get that right?
Perfect. You got it exactly right.
I'm sorry, Lisa. Can you say it one more time, a little slowly, please? I want to make sure I remember.
Of course. No problem at all. Go straight for 5 minutes, turn left at the park, walk 2 more minutes. White building on your right, next to a coffee shop.
Perfect. Thank you so much. You explained it very clearly.
Are you new to the city?
Yes, I just moved here last week. I started a new job on Monday.
Oh wow, that is exciting. Which area are you working in?
Near the central station. I'm a software developer.
Oh, that is a great area. Very busy, but very nice.
Yes, it is nice, but everything is so new. The city, the job, the people. It's a little overwhelming, honestly.
I know exactly how you feel. I also moved here 2 years ago. My first week was very difficult.
Really? You also felt lost?
Lost? I cried 3 times in 1 week.
No, really?
Yes, I didn't know anyone. I didn't know the streets. I got on the wrong bus every single day.
That makes me feel so much better.
Good, because it does get easier, I promise.
How long did it take?
Honestly, about 1 month. After 1 month, I felt at home.
1 month. Okay, I can do 1 month.
Of course you can.
Actually, Lisa, can I ask you something else?
Of course. What is it?
Frustrated. My English, I understand it well. I watch English movies, English shows, I read English books, but when I need to speak, my mind goes blank. It's so frustrating.
Oh, Mark, you have no idea how many people feel exactly the same.
Really?
Understanding and speaking are 2 completely different skills. Your ears have been practicing for years, but your mouth is still a beginner.
I never thought of it that way.
You know what helped me most?
What?
Talking to strangers, just like you are doing right now.
But I'm nervous right now.
Exactly, and you're still doing it. Being nervous and being brave are the same thing, Mark. Brave doesn't mean not scared. Brave means scared, but doing it anyway.
Wow. Scared, but doing it anyway. I will remember that.
Good, because you were brave today. You stopped a stranger, you asked for help, in English. That is not nothing, Mark. That is everything.
Thank you, Lisa. I came here lost and stressed. Now I feel lighter somehow.
That makes me very happy to hear. Now go before the library closes.
Oh, yes. What time does it close?
6 o'clock. You have plenty of time.
Perfect. Thank you so much for the directions, for the advice, for everything.
It was my pleasure. We all need help sometimes.
One last question. Is there a good coffee shop nearby? I really need coffee after all this walking.
Yes, the coffee shop right next to the library. Try their cappuccino. Best in the city. Trust me.
Perfect. Maybe I'll see you around sometime, Lisa.
I hope so. Good luck, Mark, with the library, with the job, with the city, with everything.
Thank you again.
Hey, Mark.
Yes?
Speak freely, live boldly.
Speak freely, live boldly. I really like that.
Now go.
Going. Bye, Lisa.
Bye, Mark. Good luck.